is taking care of the all creative stuffs and the front end technologies here, and Amit is taking care of back end and the rest leading the team apart. So we are just trying to create an environment for playing the kind of video streaming sessions for one of our client named as Douglas from US. So like why we are trying to use this open source third party based solution, because as per his requirement is looking for something at least for the MVP for the testing purpose by the end of this January month 2021. So we can at least provide him like a similar to Zoom platform maybe. So where maybe his event managers or the co-host or maybe the DJ party houses or a rock band kind of personality can schedule a meeting for the show and generate an URL as similar as the Zoom, and then anyone from the audience can join this the similar kind of video streaming meeting or maybe the show by just clicking on the URL. So there would be no requirement for the user ID password, which we used to get into the Zoom meetings. And of course, these are just dummy stuffs that we're using right now. Just recording the session to provide the basic experience that how we are doing it, and it could be called as a POC, that is a proof of concept that we have successfully launched and testing it here. Now over to you, Amit, if you can explain a bit more how you was able to done this complete successfully by you and by using which all technologies for this POC only.
So for this POC, we are using Kurunto as a media server with switch. This entire platform is running on a Node.js based HTML5 client, which is connected through the WebSocket on the backend to the streaming servers. And as you can see, it's really running very, very smooth as of now. It's running very low end machines. It's not running on any high end machines.
Yeah, we can see that.
Very low end machine. The entire backend scripting is done in PHP itself. So it's complete open source, which we can customize up to any extent as per the customer's requirement.
Cool. Okay, so at least for this POC, even we would have been requiring some kind of dummy database like creating the users and all. So, which is the database that we're using currently for this?
Currently, for this, we are using. So, just for the information purposes, we are using MySQL for all detailed data that is being saved on MongoDB. And all these recordings, they are being saved on the file system directly. So they are available as the files, as separate files.
Okay, understand. Okay, so what do you think? I mean, what should be, as I've already told you that Douglas is already owning a data center, so maybe we don't need to care or worry about the fees and the expenses about the data and the server configurations. But still, what do you think? What should be the per participant cost gonna be to get this platform on for the public audience?
Okay, so in case of a streaming server, what actually matters is that how large or densely we are going to build. So as many number of users, as low your cost is. So if you are going to build your own servers for a streaming requirement, in that case, your cost may start somewhere approximately $0.0040, and it may level up to $1 per user, per hour. So that is somewhere.
I understand. So okay.
It all depends that how many number of users you are planning to.
So yes, of course, and the same questions we have already raised in the initially requirement gathering session. and the Douglas has told us that he's not expecting more than 5,000 plus of audience. I mean, in total for the very first year. Like this is gonna be the perfect fit for now. Okay, now coming quickly to creative head to discuss about the creative stuff like designing and all for the UI purpose and for better user experience. Let me try to quickly test this comment section. I'm just gonna type the test comment, and I just want to see if you guys can see this, and you can also answer me here with your comments, please.
Yep.
Yes, Sandeep is coming. Okay, Amit is there. Perfect. So it's working fine for Douglas. You can see that. Okay. So Sandeep, quick questions.
Yep.
Obviously, we are working on POC, that is proof of concept for now. So the look and feel and the design is not that much big issue for us now because we just need it to test functionality for now. What do you think? I mean, if we want to get this MVP, this POC towards the MVP segment to provide the minimum viable product, what do you think? What all creative stuff we can implement initially that we can achieve at least before this upcoming January 2021?
I think the UI is pretty good currently, so there is not much in we have to do. Actually, I have tested and recorded other options also. Like we have an option in this, we can go to the settings and have a full screen option over here where we can even set
Correct.
the fonts also, that the font can be a bigger or smaller
Yeah,
through it. So there
you
will
can
be
see
a
it.
UI for the chat, that is also good. We can
Mm-hmm.
just implement some color or
Mm-hmm.
place the things, like if somebody asks and the reply on it, so it will be a different, it's like a, like you write a test comment over there, then we can just somebody reply on that, it will be on the right, nothing else. So UI is great, so there will be another
Right.
options also, sharing and everything. So I
Perfect. So, I mean, I cannot stop to saying this. I mean, I can see if this comment section, like this comment section, seems similar to YouTube streaming. Is it?
yep.
I mean, I'm just as I used to test a lot of stuff. Does it looks like the YouTube live streaming comment section?
No, actually, it's something like a UX. When somebody users are aware of the things like similar things. If we go beyond that, so
Uh-huh.
user will can misunderstood the things. So it better to have a common UI so everybody can understand it easily.
Great answer.
Yep.
So, and Douglas, seriously, there is no fixed script for this, but obviously, the smoother user experience is in demands nowadays. Okay, so it's been a great session for all of us guys. I guess so we are ready to submit this QC and the testing screen recording video to Douglas, and I'll get back to you with the feedback. And maybe sooner this week, like Thursday evening, the US time, same New Jersey time, it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon right now, or maybe by Friday, we can get into a meeting with Douglas.
Okay. Yep.
Per- Perfect. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Sandeep. Take care.
Thanks.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Great.